I'm going to tip this off. I'm going to go and pick some people up at the airport now. That is the plan. Did have a lovely crossing as well. As smooth as silk all the way. I gotta be fair. Didn't sleep very well, mind. Ugh. What a difference a day makes. Ugh, look at that. Ah, hello the old, hello the new, hello the ones in the middle. There's a good chance you might have seen a bit of a sunny day just then, and then da-da, you're back here. We'll keep it for next week, a bit of luck, if it worked out. Alright, picking up 225s, pouring with rain, gale force winds, yeah, magical Welsh weather. Yeah. And this ground I'm on is not exactly the best either. That's a bit, as they say, slick. Very slick. That's how you pick a machine up, boys and girls. Like that. That's clean. Ah, sweet. That's how it's done. Absolutely pouring rain. All cleaned out. Magic. Your man has just taken my buckets down here for me. Oh, that's how you pick the machine up, boys and girls. Track's clean. Boys just running the stuff down here. Magic. I have to use this camera, my other one's not quite as waterproof. Hey! Is she full of, and she's full of fuel, full of AdBlue. Boom. Right, that's like a clay, or basically it is clay, yeah? All that. What tends to happen, especially on a lot of sites, big housing sites, where they're putting in the groundworks, all this now, getting the land and the ground prep ready. It's dry for a few days, it gets a little bit of moisture and you get this really sticky fine layer that comes up over the top, and you just slide, absolutely slide everywhere. But when you track the clay, well, will just build up into the tracks, which obviously all your cleats, yeah, it gets a bit slippy slidey, so it's not really the best. You only got it's not, it's just like a fine heavy drizzle coming down, but the wind is blowing across, so it doesn't actually soak it, just like comes like a bit of a play-doh, like a putty. Absolutely horrible. Right, let's get this on anyway. Top man with a, my top man, my top G. This, we got that one, yeah. Ooh, and the wiper works. Chillabeers. Do a lot of screening, land screening for preparation. House building. Tuck my buckets down. Can't fault it. Can't fault the man. See, stand there. See the Mac stand to plug into it, or clank into it, whatever you want to call it. Right, I gotta concentrate. Boot update. They're bogging. Marvellous. That's what I mean. You get all this. It's not quite wet. very sticky. It's just a pain in the ass. Sticky and wet. And it clogs up in the tracks. Yeah, and you just slip and slide everywhere. Right, let's get this one off anyway. Let's see if we can get out here, because that looks a bit slick, mind, I gotta be honest. Yeah, so all these will do now, these boys, is they will screen all this material to go through there. Not sure what size will go onto that conveyor, but obviously stack it there, and then you end up with that kind of material ready for your, well, for your gardens, for around the premises of the builds and all that type of stuff. I don't think they're going to be doing a lot today, that's for sure. They've got some quite a bit of kit here, in all fairness. This is Llanwern Village. Just you come into Newport now, all this used to be green, green pasture fields, I'm assuming. They always used to see cows and all that on them on the farms. From the farms, I should say. And now it's housing development. I'm a bit miffed how the UK is going to keep going like this. I really can't see how it's going to keep going, because it is at the moment. They can build a shed on it and sell it and rent it out. That's all they're doing. It's a bit scary. Hey, that's what do they call it? That's progress for you, something like that. But then get out here. The sweeper's just gone up there now. He's coming back down. I'm not going to get out here before he goes past me, so he's not going to be happy with me. Mind you, a sweeper job's a bit of a relentless task, unfortunately, but is essential. And that's one of the big problems. It's your tyres. Get that thick layer of mud over there, and you literally got no steering. You can feel the front just, there's not really a lot happening. So when you come off that type of stuff, literally just tiptoe your way down, and hopefully it don't slide. I wouldn't recommend somebody to do it if they hadn't done it before, I'll be honest, because it's a bit of a woo moment if it goes, if she starts to slide a little bit. I'll just literally come down here, 5 mile an hour if that. Just let all the mud come off the tyres now. Job's a good one, really. I'm very confused. Picking a machine, picking another machine up, obviously. Stay there. So I'm picking another machine up, another 21 tonner, and apparently I was warned coming down here that it's very tight. It's not really tight, but yeah, you know, been in a lot worse. Apologies if you can't hear me because of the sound. So I'm very confused by the machine we picked up. The machine we picked up this morning, same company, had this machine. Look at that, ready to go. I'm assuming then it can't be no buckets with this, just that one. Oh no, there's a bucket. That's happy days. Clean, ready to go. But I'm confused because apparently the boy who dropped this off had quite a bit of difficulty. I don't know if it was busier or what, I don't know. But he had a little bit of a bump. Apparently he hit a telegraph pole. But I don't know how the hell he's done it, because I can't work out which one he might have hit. Because all the telegraph poles are quite buried in the bushes. I got one there, one there. So I don't get it. I come down in here, turned and reversed in. I believe hit the pole. I'm not sure which one. Nice to have a machine ready prepped on the board, so we can go facing the right direction. Makes a change. It's twice now, same company, and it'd be good as gold. Kit is prepped and ready. I still can't work out what telegraph pole is by of it. I think he must have gone down the road and turned around and done that. Baffles. What I will say as well, this is all new tarmac, so if you've got to put your legs down on the tarmac, make sure you put something underneath the legs. It just compresses down and causes indents in the tarmac, and some customers can get really angry with that, which I don't blame them, because tarmacking is very expensive. Because when you tarmac anything, you need you need 9 lorries, 33 blokes, 16 rollers. You need to employ 2 blokes to run around with a water can. The reason you have the other 32 blokes is so that they can all stand around and watch the one bloke that does hold the shovel. So yeah, tarmac is very expensive. So if you do drop your legs, put something under them, some big timbers to, spread the weight out on the legs, so you don't get that one pressure point all the time. So it's boys were there in the van. They flat out. They pulled in there in a pair of them. Gone. Right, and I get out here. I think I'm gonna have to get a car moved going out here now. It's a bit tight going out on the one entrance. Right, good morning. Another day. It just rained all day yesterday. I just give up in the end. It was just turning into a nightmare. I picked this kit up yesterday, and I didn't read the paperwork correctly. So an 8 roller, 9-ton dumper, little telehandler, and I didn't know I was picking that one up. So my point of all this is implant. There's always a way of doing something, it's just finding a way of doing it. So a little thing like I said, most people won't turn them sideways. If you turn it sideways, you saved, I don't know how much room on the trailer, so therefore you can fit the rest on. Or it's little things like making sure the arms will fit over things, which she sat on the top. Don't panic, there's a rubber mat there. Obviously then, like your telehandlers, you can lift the arms up, get everything out the way, give you more room on the trailer. So it's always a way of doing it, it's just finding a way of doing it. But it's stuff you learn over time. I'm shattered, people, this week. I'm absolutely knackered. So over time you learn these little bits and bobs. It's not something that you pick up straight away, unfortunately. I think that was my point anyway. I'm just ruined, I am, this week, boys and girls, I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna tip this off. 2 collections to do, 2 20-tonners to deliver. The one I'm not really looking forward to, and the other one I really don't want to do at all. But it's Friday, so it don't matter. That's, yay, Friday! And I'm off for a week next week, and I can't wait. I have got to brush the trailer off a minute, but I haven't done that yet. I'd always ask, quite a few people ask me, why do you leave a chains in the trailer? It's illegal, shouldn't do it. If I'm going up country, all I'll get put away, it'll get tucked up in the tops, and I got a couple of lockers coming for my for the headboard of the trailer. I think they're coming anyway, I'm not sure. I normally run around locally, so I do tend just to leave them on the trailer. I'm going around the corner now to pick up a 13-ton roller. It's 3 mile down there. I'm not putting all that away just to get it back out 3 mile down the road. If I'm on the motorways, I'll try and tuck everything away. But a lot of the time I'm running around, like I said, locally, so if they come off the trailer bed, it's because I'm upside down. And if they are off the bed and I'm upside down, I don't really care about them. It's clearly I got more pressing issues to worry about. A lot of trailers, like a lot of boys who do like the bigger stuff on the low loaders and stuff, have trays down the bottom to put all their stuff in. Well, the ministry have deemed them unsafe because they've got to be covered. So they'll put all their chains and everything in the tray, and the ministry are happy just to have like a little bit of tarp, bit of sheet over the top of it, just so that they can't see them and it's out the way. So it's absolutely bonkers. Bit of rain, right? This has happened again, like it did yesterday. Everything's gone really cluggy, and that's the result of the trailer now. And my the other day I brought my boy with me for an hour. Was it yesterday, Thursday, Wednesday? Only for an hour. I brought him with me. I was passing the house, I thought, I'll grab the boy. I asked him to brush the trailer bed for me. First thing he done, broke my brush straight away. He's a lovely lad. Clearly just don't trust him with a brush. Right, let's go and get this roller. So anyway, if that answers that, if it doesn't, but yeah, I just tend to leave them there. If they come off, you've got seriously more pressing issues to worry about. Whoa. Got dirty boots as well. I have a grump. Okay. Would you like to hear my grump? It's a bit windy. Do apologise for the wind noise. This is my grump. It's Friday, and it's always the same on a Monday. Better, yeah. It's always the same on a Monday. So everybody wants everything done. On a Monday, everybody wants everything there first thing ASAP, so everyone wants their deliveries first. So my solution to that is, if the customer says to you, we need that machine ASAP Monday morning, you say no problem, and you chuck 100 quid on top of the job. Otherwise, as far as I'm concerned, you say to the customer it'll be an AM delivery or a PM delivery. Alright? If they specifically want it there desperately, then like I said, pay for it. On a Friday, everyone wants to go home at 12 o'clock. So I've always got to try and fit a full day's work into 3 hours. What bugs me on a lot of sites is everyone finishes early on a Friday, you know, 1, 2 o'clock, off they go. And you know, that's cool, I've got a problem with that. And then they all want to work Saturday for the extra money. Go figure. It's a bit frustrating at times. So I've had 3 phone calls today. What time are you going to be there? What time are you going to be here? Not a lot I can do about it. But if you want a machine at a specific time, you pay the price. Simple as that. That's I think the only way of really doing it, because people then might start understanding what it takes sometimes to get kit on site at certain times. Because I'm hoping to be on my last machine by 2 o'clock, and that's because the boys are going home at 2:30. And they've just phoned me saying, can I tip it on the hill? And I've got no chance, I can't tip it on the hill. If the machine slides on a trailer, it'll go into a house, into the cars, whatever, I can't stop it. So they're on a bit of a wobbler, not a wobbler, but they've been a bit, oh, I don't see the problem. I do. There was a young man from Dunoon who thought he shot his pantaloons. He had a fright and a terrible sight because he found out it to be true. That's the story of the man who shot his pantaloons. I wasn't really looking forward to I wasn't looking forward to coming into you, but we're not actually going to have to go where I thought we were going to go. We go in slightly before the actual place we need to go. That's providing I can get around the corner, because apparently a lot of the lorries struggle to get around there, so hey ho. We'll see. We have got a 225 on the back, so we've got a bit of an overhang either side, and I do like to race through these lanes up there, but I do know them extremely well, since I only live over the other side. Yep, another one comes flying down the inside thinking, yes, I can fit. No, I can't. Oh golly gosh. Not for the faint-hearted, I'll be honest. We're going to trim the bushes back by here now. Kind of open, there's no cars coming the other way. Breathe in people, breathe in, mirrors in. Oh, that's a bit tight. Thank you. Really don't like coming into these places at all. It's a bit annoying, but if a customer wants it, we got to get it there. Simple as that. There's no ifs, no buts. There's no point in saying I can't get it there, because it just means somebody else got to try and get it here. Steady. I've gone over to the right because I don't want all the branches and that to hit the roof of the lorry. The road's not too bad coming in, yeah. It's the last little bit now. M4 coming to a standstill already. Friday midday, bank holiday. And that's the M4 completely and utterly knackered already. Where this is going now, they do have green lorries in and out, so should be pretty good in all fairness, as long as the gate is wide enough. Fair play to the boys who run around doing the farms. I'll give them their due. Sorry mate. Oh, look at that for timing. Looking at me a bit daft, that one. Yeah, so he said there's plenty of room going in there, it's just the entrance is a bit, yeah, you know, skew-iff. I'm going to turn left up by there now, and I can't remember how bad it is, to be honest. I don't think it's too bad. I brought a D6 in here a couple of years back. Yeah, I was saying fair play to the lads who just do full-time farm work, I'll give them their due. I don't think it's something I would want to do full-time. Oh, turn. Watch the old trailer. She pops over. A couple of people stood on the right, but in their paths just looked at me daft. I think I'd be quite nervous to come down here if I hadn't been here before. Just down by here it does get quite tight. And when you're 50 ton, it's not really the best, is it? But I do know if I am in trouble, I can actually turn around in that place on the left, but there. Oh, thank you very much. Yeah, if I was stuck, I could actually go into Fairwater Farm, but there. Got the phone number for the owner, so you know. I think my memory card's going to run out soon on that camera as well. A lot of the lanes around the back of here, you find cars use them as a rat run, cutting from one side to another, so they have got a tendency to be a little bit quick. I don't think I'm going to go around that corner. Now he's got an electric gate. Let's have a little look at this then. Ooh. What do you reckon, people? That's going to be tight. That's going to be tight as. Let's get the tag axle up. Some stones there on the side. That should go. Should just go around. Well, I was expecting that to be a lot tighter than that. Oh, sweet as a nut. Oh, well done, Russ. I was expecting that'd be a bit of a nightmare, but nice and easy. I was told that they've had a couple of 4 axles come in here and they've struggled to get around the corner, which I'm a bit confused why that would be. Because I flew around there then, so bloody hell, that gate's a bit narrow though, I'll be honest. Oh, there's not much room for error on that one. But within, what a beautiful place this is. Fair play, stunning. Right, let's get this dropped off then. balls. Just caught the corner coming round and I didn't realise it. Bugger. And the best part is we was only talking about these the other day because they need to be moved. Right, let's get it fixed anyway. Now I just gotta find a way of holding it there. Right, this way. I've only got one job to do left anyway, so just have to grin and bear it. That's on there, so I won't do that. But I might. These will always get you out of trouble, boys and girls. Always. Always have as many of them as you can carry. So you can't fix it with zip ties or a bit of tape, then you need to wee on it and walk away like a dog. Yeah, we was only talking about having these moved the other day as well, for this reason. Turn. That hurt. Oh, smashed my finger. It might not be pretty, but it'll do the job. The joy of coming into farms, I suppose. Right, let's just make sure it is working now. I hope so. Really hurt my finger as well. That's really bugged me, that have. Hopefully the indicator works, at least. Oh. Please work. At least we got an indicator, is better than nothing. But I think it's all alright, to be honest with you. Still works. Still works. Right. Let's put that over there because I haven't got a knife to cut there. I'm with no animals. Maybe we'll have to be an animal today. Oh, I can't believe I just done that. Literally must have just caught that over there on that's what's pulled it off. They are going to be moved. We're going to put them up, I think either up there or down by there somewhere. Probably in by there. Oh well. Gotta try and explain that one now. Shizen happens. Yeah, we definitely scuffed that bank. That's definite. Oops. Lovely lady watched me out there then, fair play. Yeah, I did kind of catch that bank quite hard actually, I didn't realise that. Whoops. The annoying part about all this is, that was the corner I was most concerned about. So you've got all some large stones that actually sit on that corner. So I thought if I'd have trouble anyway, it'd be on this one by here. Oh, how wrong was I? How wrong was I? Live and learn.